Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you top 3 amazing smartphone hacks that you should know. So guys, hope you enjoy the video. Guys, the first smartphone hack is actually very useful. For example, right now as you can see, my smartphone is out of juice. The battery is empty, and if you have a friend whose smartphone battery is full, you can use his smartphone to charge your smartphone. All you need is a OTG adapter. This adapter is very cheap. It's like $50. You have to plug this adapter into your friend's smartphone, and after that plug in your charging cable and plug the other side into your smartphone. And if you want to exchange data with him, then you can click on allow, and if you don't want to exchange data with him, then you can click on deny. And as you can see, my smartphone is charging. It's not fast charging, but it's going to get you enough charging to go home or somewhere else. So it's a really nice smartphone hack to know. Guys, the second smartphone hack is actually a fun one. All you need for this is an empty box or a glass if you would like, and you need a smartphone with torch. You would definitely I will definitely recommend you guys using an old smartphone, because you definitely don't want to do it on your new smartphone. You need to turn on the torch on your smartphone, and after that empty out the box you are using and fill it with water, about half or maybe a little bit higher than half. This much is going to be enough. Put the cover back and put the smartphone under the box, and it's going to make a really nice night lamp. You can use it at bedtime or if you're reading a book. It doesn't look very cool when all the lights are on, but when all the lights are turned off, it looks very nice. Right now you cannot see it properly because there are a lot of lights in this room. So guys, you can also use a glass of different colors. They also look very nice. As you can see, you can fill them with water too. You can get a really nice night lamp. So guys, the third smartphone hack, or maybe I should call it a cable hack, is very useful, because as you guys might know, most of the public places are now having a place to charge your smartphone. But in order to charge your smartphone, of course you need a charging cable. In order to make sure you have a charging cable with you all the time, that you need a charging cable and a paper pin or paper clip. You can just put the paper clip over the charging cable in the middle, just like that, and then you can put the paper clip onto the keychain. This way you are always going to have a charging cable with you, so you can easily charge the smartphone at any place if you have a charging port. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.